This is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is not your ordinary radio. This is an American Red Cross emergency weather radio. Having one of these radios is really important because in a time of an emergency, things might go down. Your TV has no signal, maybe the power lines are down, so even your cell phones are not even functioning properly either. So just turn it on.
The system is underway and is producing widespread snow, rain, and wintry mix, including sleet and freezing rain.
So currently, the snow has started and there are some snowstorms going around. So just like that, you click it on, you know what is going on, what the weather situation is going to be. I love that this is compact, so it's super easy to store in a backpack or in a drawer, and it's that nice bright red color, so it's not easy to lose. Some of the other really special features is having a flashlight on there and being able to charge it. You can attach your cell phone, you can charge your cell phone. This itself is a rechargeable radio. You can plug it, charge it all up, have it ready to go for any of the weather situations. But in case you end up somewhere where this has died, or you've been gone for a long time or out of power for a really long time, it has a hand crank. It has one of those old-fashioned hand cranks, which means that you can manually power your weather radio, which was the #1 thing I was looking for. I needed a weather radio in case of any emergencies, tornadoes, hurricanes, snowstorms, whatever it is. I wanted to be able to know I could hear the weather in case something was going wrong. I love having this in my emergency kit and in my house, so that way I can always be prepared for any weather. And that's my point of view.